This is Christina DSouza and I love to DIY. Welcome to my studio. This is a small studio where I do a lot of artwork and transform a lot of pieces into great pieces. So if you do want to know how I transform this room into what it is right now, I will link the video in the description box below to have a look at it. Do give my video a thumbs up and share with your friends, and please do subscribe. It helps me a lot. It helps my channel grow a lot. Thank you very much for stopping by. Supplies that you would need for the sweater pumpkin: dollar store pumpkin, old sweater, acrylic white paint, paint brushes, and a glue gun. Next, paint the pumpkin. You don't want the color of the pumpkin to peek through the sweater. Once it's dried out, cut a hole at the top and bottom so when you glue the sweater, you can tuck it in the hole. Cut the sleeves of the sweater, and that's what we will be needing. Put the pumpkin in and cut off the extra length. Start gluing your sweater with a hot glue gun. Make sure once you glued on one side, you let it dry and do the other side. So you can pull the sweater tighter so that it fits the pumpkin and gives it the shape of a pumpkin. For the sake of the video, I did not wait for it to dry. Make sure to cut off any excess fabric at the top. Once glued, we have to attach the stem to the pumpkin. For the stem, I will be using jute ribbon. You can also use the sweater to wrap around the stem or just leave it like that and glue it to the top. I also went ahead and painted another dollar store pumpkin with white acrylic paint just to balance the whole decor. For the planter, I will be using jute cord that I got from Michael's. Since it was pretty thin, I will be using 3 cords that makes 1 strand to braid. This is pretty easy, and I will be making 2 braided cords. I made an extra just in case I needed to change my design. I will be gluing the cord to the bigger basket. I haven't cut off the edges. I liked it that way. You are free to cut off the edges. I went ahead and glued both the cords on either side of the basket. Once that is done, mark 12 inches on both the cord and glue the small basket. Glue the cord to the small basket. I also added 2 wooden beads, which was available to me, which would give a boho vibe to the planter. I tied the ends at the top and my planter was good to go.